Hello, and welcome back to Listen to English podcast. I'm Mrs. Green, and today I'm joined by my good friend Sarah. Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Mrs. Green. I'm so happy to be here today.
I'm glad you're here too. Today we're talking about favorite food.
My favorite topic. I love food.
So, Sarah, what's your favorite food?
My absolute favorite is lasagna. It's an Italian dish with pasta, cheese, meat, and tomato sauce. It's warm, cheesy, and full of flavor.
That sounds delicious. Do you make it at home?
Sometimes it takes time, but when I make it, the smell in the kitchen is amazing. You know, that mix of tomato, herbs, and melted cheese, it makes me smile every time.
I can imagine. The smell of food cooking is one of life's best pleasures.
Yes, and the first time I had lasagna was actually on my 10th birthday. My aunt cooked it for me, and I remember thinking, wow, this is better than cake.
That's a big compliment for lasagna. For me, my favorite food is grilled salmon. It's healthy, tasty, and I love the crispy skin.
Oh, I love salmon too. Do you cook it yourself?
Yes, I usually season it with lemon, salt, and pepper, then grill it for about 10 minutes. The skin gets nice and crunchy, and the inside stays soft.
That sounds simple and delicious. Do you eat it with anything else?
Yes, I serve it with steamed vegetables or a fresh salad. The colors on the plate make it even more enjoyable. Pink salmon, green broccoli, red tomatoes.
Your salmon sounds healthy, unlike my lasagna.
Well, food can be both tasty and healthy. I think the secret is balance.
True. I love cooking, but I also like trying new dishes in restaurants.
Same here. Last week, I tried sushi for the first time.
Really? Did you like it?
Yes, it was fresh, light, and full of flavor. At first, I wasn't sure about eating raw fish, but the taste surprised me.
I had sushi once. I didn't love it at first, but after the second time, I enjoyed it more. Sometimes your taste changes.
That's so true. When I was a child, I didn't like vegetables at all. Now, I can't imagine a meal without them.
For me, it's the opposite. I loved spinach as a kid, but now, not so much.
Well, everyone has different tastes.
Talking about food is making me hungry.
Me too. Before we go, let's share some key words and phrases from today's chat. 1. Lasagna, an Italian dish with pasta, cheese, meat, and tomato sauce. 2. Full of flavor, very tasty. 3. Grilled salmon, salmon cooked over heat with a grill. 4. Crispy skin, thin layer that is crunchy when cooked. 5. Season with, add spices or herbs to food before cooking. 6. Steamed vegetables, vegetables cooked with steam. 7. Fresh salad, salad made with fresh ingredients. 8. The smell in the kitchen, aroma of food cooking. 9. Balance, a healthy mix of different foods.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Don't forget to tell us about your favorite food in the comments.
And remember to subscribe so you don't miss our next chat.
See you next time, and maybe we'll be eating while talking. Bye.